In this video, we are going to hack into Dancing Machine, which is the third machine on Hack the Box starting point. Just click on Connect to Hack the Box. Download your OpenVPN credentials and save them. Now open your Downloads folder. Open the terminal in the same folder by right-clicking in the folder and use the command OpenVPN and your file name to start the VPN. It's an error. We need to start this with sudo. Repeat the command with sudo. Now to check whether we are connected, give the command ifconfig. And you can see that we are connected on Tunnel 0 interface. Now spawn your machine. It will take a while to spawn. Note down the target IP address. Now let's just ping our machine. And we can confirm that our target machine is up and running. So let's first answer some questions on Hack the Box. So the first question is, what does the 3-letter acronym SMB stands for? Which is Server Message Block. You submit the answer. Now the second question is, what port does SMB use to operate at? Which is 445. So the next question is, what is the service name for port 445 that came up in our Nmap scan? So let's first start our Nmap scan. Use the command as shown on the screen. Here T5 and minimum rate will speed up the process. -P- will run scan on all available ports. -V is the verbose scan. So our scan is complete. Scroll up and you can see the service name is Microsoft-DS. Just copy it and paste it in Hack the Box. Now the next question is, what is the flag or switch that we can use with the SMB tool to list the contents of the share? Which is -L. Let's try that on our target. Use the command SMB client with the IP address and -L flag. Use the blank password. And we can see that 4 shares are listed for our target. So let's just go back to Hack the Box. So the next question is, how many shares are there on Dancing? Which are 4. The next question is, what is the name of the share we are able to access in the end with a blank password? So let's just try to access Workshares share. Use the command as shown on the screen. And we are able to gain access to the share. We can list the files with ls command. So let's just go back and answer the question. So we were able to access Workshares folder. So the next question is, what is the command we can use with SMB shell to download the files we find? Let's just try to find and download the flag file. And we can see that we have our flag.txt file in James folder. Use the get command to download it. And we have downloaded our flag file. Now open a new terminal. And use the cat command to cat out the contents. Copy the flag and go back to Hack the Box. and submit the flag. And we have successfully hacked into dancing machine.